Welcome back, everybody. Mindful Freedom again with another video on cryptocurrency. All right, let's get straight into it. We have here an article about NEO, kind of just seeing where the market's at with NEO right now. Here we are. NEO consolidates before its next big move, September 27th, so a few days ago. But all right, NEO, the Chinese Ethereum that became this center of attention during the previous bullish cycle of the cryptocurrency market, is all of a sudden completely forgotten after the recent correction. Their development team seems to be working in a low-key style on the project and does not care about publicity. While it may be hard to tell what the NEO development team is really up to, the above weekly chart for NEO USD shows us clearly what NEO is up to. For the past 7 weeks, NEO has been consolidating after retesting a strong support at 1378. The consolidation has brought NEO USD close to its downtrend resistance, which it is about to break. It is a pretend to not that, unlike Litecoin and other large cap coins, NEO only tests its support only once and strongly bounced off of it. So it bounced to the 13 and then it bounced up. I think it went all the way up to like 33 or something like that. It went pretty high. I think it was at 35, to be honest. And then it dropped back down. So it's right around the $19 area right now. This shows, and again, we'll continue with the article, this shows that there is a strong interest in NEO among cryptocurrency investors, that the cryptocurrency might be poised for big gains during this upcoming bullish cycle. However, NEO is no longer at the center of media hype. In fact, it may be fair to say that a lot of people have forgotten about NEO since the beginning of this correction. This is to be expected in a market where people care less about fundamentals and more about hype. One day NEO is the hottest thing in the cryptocurrency space. The next day, some other coin with a flashy website and some cool infographic grabs people's attention. Very few people in this market care about fundamentals when they actually understand it. It is too late to get in on the action. I have been around for a long time to see the same happening to Ethereum. In fact, I bought my first Ethereum at $14 back then. Not many people cared about Ethereum, but those who understood the fundamentals loaded up heavily. Sure enough, they were rewarded by the end of the year. NEO has not only made progress on the NEO USD front, but also on the NEO Bitcoin front. As the above weekly chart for NEO Bitcoin shows, NEO has entered a similar consolidation against Bitcoin. Interestingly, NEO BTC has also consolidated for the exact same period of 7 weeks. During that time, the NEO BTC also managed to break the downtrend resistance. Wave trend analysis for NEO BTC shows a very strong probability of the price beginning a new cycle at this point. There is a lot of room for growth, and if NEO were to begin a new cycle at this stage, it might be able to keep surging against Bitcoin nearly to early 2019. RSI for the above chart also shows that the price has bottomed out and is now ready for a trend reversal. The team behind NEO is one of the few teams that have been consistently working on this project regardless of its market valuation. NEO has seen a lot of interest in the past, and there is no reason to presume that it may not see similar gains. So yeah, interesting article. We all know NEO is the Chinese Ethereum, or it's basically will hold smart contracts for Chinese businesses or companies that want to start up. So you can also, with NEO, you can also, if it's stored on the blockchain, you have access to be making a passive investment with the gas that's rewarded with NEO. So if you want to look into that, you can also see what other benefits, if you are holding NEO, that has to offer. But yeah, an interesting article. I've been kind of keeping an eye on NEO for a little bit. But yeah, I think that this next market cycle is going to be very interesting. I we're all like trying to figure out what coin is gonna do, you know, give you the most return, but at the same time, you know, if we want to make sure that we hodl for a long time, if we're in this for the long run, we also want to make sure that we're in some stable coins and not just going into the hype about these tokens that get released, and we're never 100% sure if these projects are going to be good or not, you know. So I think that, you know, with NEO being the Chinese Ethereum to the smart contract, I believe that NEO, this is not financial advice by any means. You know, I can't tell you what to do with your money, and you should not rely on someone else to tell you what to do with your money. But I think that NEO has strong support behind it with the Chinese and the country over there. So take a look into it. Again, this is Mindful Freedom coming at you with another video about cryptocurrency. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I will speak with y'all soon. And hodl strong and live long. All right.